Hey guys, welcome to a new 939 driver episode, and in this episode we are finalizing the intake system by installing a custom inlet pipe and going from the MAF sensor to the inlet of the turbo, because I upgraded the intake system with a cold air intake and performance intercooler. Basically the resonator box was no longer in use. So right now I'm running the old inlet pipe with a cap on the top, and I think it looks a little bit strange, so I wanted to make it one clean inlet pipe, and in this video we are going to mount that pipe. So guys, the inlet pipe is installed, and I think it looks really cool. Since there was no aftermarket inlet pipe ready available, I had to custom make one for myself. I will list all the items that I made in the description of the video, so if you want to replicate this one for yourself, you have all the details. But first we're going to try and test if everything is leak free and go for a small test drive. So guys, the custom intake pipe has been installed, and I now have done multiple trips with it, and so far no boost leaks, so everything seems to be working perfectly. And I'm really liking the look of the intake pipe. It's much cleaner than what it was before, and also the intake noises have been improved. Guys, I'm really liking the sound of the intake pipe as well. It's just much more induction noise than it was before. And with that intake pipe from MAF sensor to inlet side of the turbo now also done, the full intake system is now upgraded. So yeah, the only thing that we can now upgrade is the exhaust side, which I'm looking forward to. But that is yeah, for a future video. But for now I'm already liking the intake system. It's yeah, it seems to be very durable and just really solid and reliable. I've had no boost leaks at all, and I've been driving with this intake system now, I think 200 kilometers already, so yeah, it just seems very reliable. Together with this intake system, I also recently installed two oil catch can systems. So I've been driving them for around 600-700 kilometers now, and they are working perfectly. So the double oil catch cans, they collect all the crankcase vapors that normally would end up back into your intake system and onto the back of your intake valves. They now collect that, and you can basically just remove the cans after maybe 1,000 kilometers or 5,000 kilometers or every oil service, and then remove all the residue that they have collected. And that way you keep your intake valves clean, and you keep your engine running healthy and optimize performance. So basically the entire intake system upgrade is now complete, and the only thing that we can upgrade now is the exhaust side, and then we can maybe think of a turbo and going for a stage 2 tune. But for now I'm already liking this upgrade. I will list all the specifications of the intake system in the video. So if you want to recreate this system for yourself, you have all the dimensions. Yeah, and I can really recommend this package. It works really well with the TBI engine, and it just makes the engine come a bit more to life. Let me know if you like this video, and what do you think of the intake system, and if you like this video, feel free to leave a like, and I hope to see you next video. Bye.